Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys are having a great day, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. Cause in this video, we're gonna be making your day even more great by, helping you solve your problem which you're confused in, which is how you guys can log into your Southwest Airlines login. So without any further ado, let's start it. But before I show you guys how you guys can log in, let me give you a, small detail. Like Southwest Airlines is a airline company, as you guys can already hear it in the name. It's like a transportation company which handles the flight. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can log in. First step, go to search engine, any search engine you want, and you can search for Southwest Airlines login. Once you search for Southwest Airlines login, you want to click on where it says login Southwest Airline, and we're going to their official web page over here. Once you come over here, basically what you want to do is, it says my account login over here, as you guys can see. Now enter your account number or your username and then enter your password. After entering your account number or username and your password, you should be able to log in to your Southwest Airlines account. And if you are not being able to log in, then basically either your username or your password is incorrect. So make sure to check them. And yeah, after checking your password and username, if it is correct, click on login and you should be able to log in. So that's basically how it works. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And yeah, if you guys don't have a Southwest Airlines account, you can always click over here where it says create an account to create a new one as well. So that's a bonus tip, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day.